Blay Pibro, Kanega Apex News India, Kikubor Ban Puli di Piba Corridor Marbo. Tungin ni Pashwa Shakimat Kibakongsan. Kikubor Kibabanya. Kasarkar Meghalaya kala menjur ban penkala thama ya ka Meghalaya Investment Promotion Policy kabadai na kabenta ban pensuk ya ki kendon bat ban kershan ru ya ki kamshimet ha ka jela. Umentri rangba kongrat ke sangma ulaong bakini ki jing penkala ki kenthop ya ki micro enterprises da ka ba penduna ya ka jinglot ka ba shongdor na ka san phaulak sha ka shiphaulak tingka na kabenta banyo jing mentoy ya ki nongtrei kamla jong ka jela. Kini ki jing penkala ki penshisharu ya ki jing beteng jong ki jing mentoy nakabenta ki tu ki nongshna karkhana ki balazdang bante ya ka unit ha ka por baka don ka jing ya pher hapdeng ki policy barim bat ka policy MIIPA ka bathamai.
The amendment to the Meghalaya Industrial Investment Promotion Policy. These are basic investments just to streamline and to make things more simpler for our different agencies, different organizations. For example, earlier the definition of micro enterprises was limited or was at amount of 50 lakhs investment. We realized that micro organizations are more local, so therefore we cannot have 50 lakhs. So we've reduced that to 10 lakhs, so that more people can get the benefit, and obviously most of them are local people, and hence we have changed those terms. There was a discontinuity in terms of the old industrial policy, the new Unnati policy, and now the new MIPA policy, because the old industrial policy ended in about 22 or 21, 22, and hence there was a period of a 1 year gap. We felt that in terms of the continuity that we require, so that investors' confidence is there and the continuity in investment is there, and those who did invest during that time also don't lose out. We decided that there will be a continuity, and even those who put up units earlier will also get the benefit of the investments and in terms of the subsidies that we have been given. So like that, there were basic amendments that were made in order to just streamline and bring our policy at line or at par with what is happening in the rest of the country, as well as what's happening in especially the northeastern states. So these were the main decisions that were made. If you have any questions.
Kasarkar jila kala menjur ban thiet ya ka jaka nakabenta banchna ya ka sinshar khadar jong ka North Garo Hill District da ka ba pindon kam ya ka pisa ka ba lamang ha usnam 8,000 khan riu hado 8,000 khan nyo. Hadian balaya lam ya ka jingya lang cabinet ha kasngi balang umentri rangba ka jila ukongrat ke sangma ulaong ba ka district administration kalatib ban thiet ya ka da ka ba pindon kam ya ka san kelur ka ba labha na ka benta ka jing thiet jaka. Kala sa teng ha u deputy commissioner nadu kapor kham menchwa kane ka de ka jing terwa ka barim bha bat menta ngidang ai ka jing menjur banya chakmat bat ka jing thiet ong usangma
and under Tura town area, West Garo Hills. As you are aware, there are many localities where there are government offices, there are government land which have been encroached by individuals and public at large in the past 30, 40, 50 years. And in many cases, there have been a lot of court cases going on, and at different times there have been eviction notices being given, which has caused a lot of inconvenience and at times law and order situation. And hence, in line with the same policy which we adopted for William Nagar about 2 to 3 years back, the cabinet today has approved the proposal from GAD to go for settlement of these encroached land. So this will be leased out in a long-term lease to the people who are staying in that land. The land will be revenue land, but as I said, lease pata, long-term lease will be given to these individuals. There are criteria that will be followed, and based on those criteria, now as I said, it will be regularized in one way, settlement will be done, so that in the future there is no more complication, and no more situations that the government or the public has to face. As I said, these people have been in that land for a long time, and the only practical way for us to move forward in this was to go for the settlement so that we can actually see these kind of long problems being settled once and for all. So we're very happy that this is being done, and the first phase is being started. There are certain localities who have not agreed and are still have differences with the revenue department and with the government. We are not forcing those localities, but the localities which have agreed, where the surveys have been done, digital maps have been created, the drone surveys have been done, all the necessary exercise has been done, public hearing has been done. For the last 2 years, this exercise has been going on. So the localities which have agreed, in principle, we have now decided to go ahead with those. And in the second phase, we will continue our discussion with the other localities which have not agreed till now.
Umintri rangba kongrat ki sangma hakasngi balang ulapin mi ya ka jing pensyai shaphang ka jinglong jingman ka bayade bat ka jing shngan ha ka Meghalaya. Ulaong ba ki jing khanra ba penlong ha Meghalaya hadin ka jing bathai bom ha ka shipho tarek uno pra hajan Redford ha Delhi ki dei baro shibenta jong ka jing tokit jong kari. Ula benrab bakani ka jingja kalapin mi da ka jinglong tanrai ya ka jing penki ki bajur bah ha kalyang ki bayade bat kari. Kabala penlong ya kitanat ban penyar ya ka jing tokit jongki hakikat tu kat ni ke jela. Ka Meghalaya ka don na padeng ki santali ke jela ha kabala penlong ya ka jing tokit bat buat hadian ka jing bathai bom ha Delhi Henry usangma ula banjur ba kini ki kam kim dei ki bala penlong da kanu ka jing sngotu bakala ha kathan.
So basically, the tinted glasses this will be only for official vehicles of Z plus and Z category detectives will be there, and obviously there's a committee which is headed by the principal secretary, and hence if there are any specific cases being mentioned there, only those will be allowed. For the siren, I just read out. Sirens can be used only by vehicles of police, emergency services, pilot and escort vehicles of VVIPs and VIPs. So that means that only the police vehicles, the pilot escorts of the VVIPs and VIPs can use the siren. So it is limited to police, emergency services, which obviously means ambulances and fire service and others. So these are the first. And as I said, there's a committee headed by the principal secretary. And if there are any other categories that need to be included, this committee headed by principal secretary will be authorized to then notify if any other individual or categories need to be included in this. But as of now, as I said, as per the notification that we are giving, only the police, only the pilot escorts of the VVIPs and VIPs will be allowed to use the siren.
Ka Meghalaya and Greater Shillong Progressive Hawker and Street Vendors Association MGSPH and SCV hakasngi balang kaladaway ka sarkar jala bansoy ya ka Memorandum of Understanding MOU nakabenta ban pensyai lada ka jing penkirya ya kinong di jing di na civil hospital sya kajaka jong ka PWD habarek kadai kaba shiporne kaba pura. Habakren hakinong thok kubor usien warba ubadei udukhat ka MGSPH and SVA ulaong bakaseng kamshanya ya kani ka jing penkinria da ka bakano ba kamlong ka basyay ne ka barenti bad kadon shibun ki jimbam yahap.
Yeah. Insist that especially for those people whose names have appeared without a proper institute survey, they can process it, but they have to come on the spot and the people have to show where do they went. Otherwise, non-genuine people may get and genuine ones will be left out. So that is the thing today, and we also have here the Lanyong Kra hawkers because they're also trying to push for the relocation of Lajamkra, but as I said, relocation is the last thing. If you have not properly followed the process of claims and objections, in Lajamkra also 122 were on the eligible list. But they have culled out that only 22 will get. Who has decided this? We also know that as far as Lajamkra is concerned, there's also a case ongoing. Yesterday during the hearing, it is so shameful. And this is like, imagine the citizens of Shillong should know the kind of governance that is happening here. Shoddy, and actually it's not just shoddy, it is outright illegal and cheating, a fraud on all of us. That they submit to the court draft minutes of the PTVC. Will that be now an acceptable document? Draft minutes? We are members of PTVC. They may write anything in a draft minutes. We have not confirmed those minutes, and yet they submit that as something on which to base the process for Lajamkra in the court. So the court also should be aware of how these people are trying to mislead it. So we're here to say that SOPs have to be in place. The claims and objections process has to be properly done. Then only can there be proper issuing of COV and shifting. It cannot be like Kandailat. Kandailat, they started shifting half and then started the process. That is totally unfair and arbitrary. And we will not allow that confusion to repeat.
Ka Supreme Court hak gini kisi balalen ka labatha ya ka sarkar pedeng barok ki jilla ki Union Territories but University Grant Commission UGC ban pen pau shai kumno ka private university hakari ki la shathau kumno la bishar but kumno la pet ngor yaki ka kenhun jong ki nong bishar ka Justice Asanuddin Amanullah but NV Anjaria ki laong bakalong ka badan kam na kabenta ka baha kamiat ki padba ban pet binya kumnu ki private university ki la sha thau ka an ka ba tre kam hapo jongka bat ki jing mentoy ki ba ai na ka sarkar shaki ka bor sanchar district jongka East Khasi Hills ka lapinjari ya ka jing pakhang shnong ha ka por men miet ha ki jaka bakhapur jongka Indo Bangladesh hadin balayo jingtip jongki riu start ka jing persyang bandrung tu bat jingkiu jongki kam khayitu Magister ka district URM kurba ubala penmi ya kani ka hukum katkum ka kendon an ka ba shispa andri phulai jong ka BNSS ar hajar khat khandai la ban kershan ban pindon kam ya uput usam ubala pli ha ka permit Kaying Bishar Supreme Court haka arpun rew terek unai weng ar hajar arpusan haka singi balang latokit halor ka benta jong ka adhar haka Special Intensive Revision SIR da ka bakali yo ubreo nabari ubalala ban pindon kam ya ka kot ban yo ikijing mentoy kum ukhaw deshan bala ai jingerap dei ban ailat shishu ban pindon kam ya ka ban yo runghi daladi haka thop nong thap vote yakate ga jingkeli labu watla ka ying bishar kala hukum ban penrung ya ka adhar kum ka kot ka bakhat ar hakapor ba bishar ya ka SIR jong ka Bihar ka adhar card ka dei ka jing thau an omdon manu bala ban tukalar ya ka jing don kam jong ka ban yo ya ka jing mentoy jong ka baha kamiat ka Confederation Jirwa ka ba arpunrius nam kerta kala khlan no hadien bakalaham nakakali ka badang yan batlayo kamya usamla jongka hakabaya day bat kate ka jingja hadien kata lapalat jamin ye USP ka East Khasi Hills Vivix im ula pentep hakasngi baar bakani ka jingja kalaja hakapor khatway san phawi amen step jongka nyo terek unai weng katkum ka jingye thu usim laong bakani ka samla kalawan nakaway ka jing khawai shongkurem haol sien batlawan shaw yaka da usamla jongka hi lai iya ka bakalahab nakakali hajan ka jaka Office DC katu kat ningut kinong sakhi kila pentikna ya kate ga jingja Deputy Chief Minister uba sngob halang dhar ula pensyai baka jingyakren ka badang yat chakmat bat ka Assam halor ka kam kaput hapedeng ki jilla badang yat kumba julong bat kam syam la shakta satya haka election banwan habaya kren bat kilat pathai khubor udhar ubadei ru chairman jongka Regional Committee for West Jaintia Hills ulaong Nim ong baka election kakta ya ka rukom trekam. Niyay beteng ban ya kendu bat baro arliang mamla lesi ki he sarkar Assam kibun kam khandiat na marka election. Henry ngila kerpad eki bankin ya kendu hakanu kapor bakiyo. Bada gitu ki kubor ngila poi syakabakut tat haduk bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.